When you see something like this, I know you quickly realize that this is a fruit basket. This fruit basket is there for a longer time that we are not using. So I thought I should do a succulent arrangement using this one. So this comes off from the hook into this. These square baskets are in Bunnings for $3.50 or $4 as I can remember. So I bought one of them and I put it in. So if you take it out, it will look like this. So you can just fold it the way you want and put it into anything. So this one suits really well. This is the smallest size I'm using. So I'm going to put some soil into this. Before that, we need to have a hole in the bottom. So if not, the succulents will die. So I have this scissor I'm going to use. So using this scissor, I'm going to cut a hole at the bottom. Just put the scissors in and make a small hole. So excess water will drain off from that. So I just fill the soil into it. Make sure that every corner of the basket get enough soil. Now it is very heavy with the soil. So once we grow plants, it will be real nice looking. Let's start planting. My first plant is this. This is going to go upright, but you can always trim this plant. So put the soil. These metal strips will hold the plants too, so it stays nice and well there too. I have these plant cuttings that I'm going to put it in. So they are going to grow nice and big later on. And this is another plant that's going to hanging from the pot. So I'm going to put it next to this. I'm trying to use a lot of hanging plants in here. So once it grows nicely, it will hang from the pot. So these plants are really colorful in summer. And then this plant, it's a beautiful one, but I'm going to put it up here so I can take it out from the metal strips. And I'm going to fill more soil later on. Going to leave it like that. And this is another one, cutting from my plants. It's going to hang too. And these two going to go here. And they are going to hang too. So now the middle, you can fill it anything. I have this cotyledon cocoline plant. I used some of that into another succulent arrangement yesterday, and this is the rest. These are compact plants that I need to put some soil here. So once you build up from the bottom, you need to fill up soil. And this one, this is another plant that's going to hang, so I'm going to put it up here. You don't need to worry about putting soil. You can fill soil later on. And I think this is going to be a reddish color once it matures. And this one is another one. And this is another beautiful plant that's going to hang. Now going to fill a little bit more soil. And then I have this echeveria red leaf. It's going to be a nice plant too. And this pot is going to be really colorful once it matures. And I need another plant. For that I'm using this. So I'm going to put that there. So now if you like to put more plants, you can make holes on these sides and make plants like little echeveria leaf propagations. So it will come out from the pot on the other sides and the rest will hang from the front. So let's do that. And I have this green goddess plants. That is another hanging plant that I'm going to put here. Plenty of plants that are going to hang from the pot. I have made a hole up here. So here I'm going to put this plant with the roots inside. It's going to grow bigger and the pups will come out too. So you can put more soil if you like, but the hole is smaller, so I'm trying to put a bit soil. Let's turn it this way. So I have another plant that I'm going to put here. So I cut a big hole here. Now into that I have this black prince leaf. I'm going to put it there. So that's done. I'm going to put another plant up here. So it's another black prince plant. So it will give more color to this pot. And they are very hardy plants too. So I'm going to put that here. There are 3 black prince plants and it's going to grow bigger, and this is the front side of the pot. So this side is going to hang from here. You can always trim when they are long, and you need to control the plants always, so they will hang from the pot very nicely. This is nice for an outside table. When you can take this one and hang this on a branch too. If you don't want things like this, you can always create something nicer. So I hope you got an idea about this too, and I will see you with another arrangement soon.